Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Tracking employee hours has never been easier than with the new Square Time Clock for 2025. This updated system simplifies the entire process, making clocking in and out incredibly straightforward for your team members. You'll quickly see how to manage your shifts efficiently and accurately, ensuring everyone gets paid correctly for their hard work. Let's dive in and see how seamless it all is. Before your team can clock in, they first need proper access set up in Square. Managers will assign each employee a unique 4-digit passcode, or they can use an email for login. This secure step ensures that only authorized personnel can access the time clock, keeping your payroll accurate and protected. It is a quick setup that lays the groundwork for smooth daily operations. To start your workday, simply select your name from the employee list displayed on the Square device. Next, you will securely enter your assigned 4-digit passcode to verify your identity. This quick and simple step ensures that your hours are accurately attributed to you. Once verified, your shift officially begins, and you are ready to start your tasks for the day. When your shift ends, or if you need to take a break, simply repeat the clock-in process by selecting your name and entering your passcode. A menu will appear, giving you options to clock out or start break. If you take a break, remember to clock back in when you return so your work hours are tracked correctly. It is straightforward and keeps everything precise. You can easily review your clocked hours directly on the Square Time Clock interface at any time. This instant overview helps you quickly confirm your hours and breaks before payroll processing, ensuring accuracy. For more detailed reports and comprehensive data, managers can always access everything through the Square dashboard. This system makes managing time both simple for employees and insightful for businesses, keeping everyone on the same page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.